How to change language in Messenger app. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can change language in the Messenger app. For this, open the Messenger. Now, if you don't find the language option right here, you can go to your device settings. Go to your device settings. Now here, scroll down and tap on apps right here. Now scroll down until you see Messenger. Now tap on Messenger. Now you can see the language option right at here at the very end. Tap on it. Now you will see many options right here, all the languages. Just choose from here. Once you choose it, tap on it. Now go back and open the Messenger. Once you open the Messenger, you can see the language has been changed to the language you just selected. And that's it. This is how easy it is to change the language in Messenger. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.